Welcome to Off-Grid from the Ground Up. In this video, we will discuss the septic permit and system install for our 40-acre parcel. The property had an existing septic permit on it and active when we purchased it, which was pretty amazing. The only problem was it was in the wrong place. So here you can see William and Clara, our daughter, exploring what became our house site. The very first day that we went to see the property. And the septic permit that existed was for an access point much further down by the gate where you go into the property itself. Once we bought the property, we started spending as much time there as possible, and what that meant for us was that we needed a place to take care of those necessary bodily functions. So our first step was actually to build an outhouse, and we did this using scrap lumber. We actually repurposed the decking off of one of William's trailers for the flooring. My Mother's Day present that year was the toilet seat that you see here. So that was phase one, and then once we decided really for sure where the house was going to go, we pursued the septic permit itself. In the beginning of this clip, you saw some still images of the house site on day one. We had to do a whole lot of clearing and make sure that our soils were testing correctly for a septic system. Fortunately, they were. I will say this was a pretty extensive, bureaucratic, and pricey part of the process, at least for us. I am not a consultant on septic permits, so I will not be giving any advice here, but definitely talk to your county. Expect to hire an engineer. Our septic system is pretty basic. We have a 1,200-gallon tank and a gravity leach field system. And fortunately, we have some great friends and work partnerships that allowed us to get this fired in pretty much one day. So that was fantastic. We covered the leach field in drain rock, gravel, and then drain felt. And the white pillars that you see are clean out inspection tubes. Thanks for watching. We always hope this is helpful. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share.